Two of Wands. Someone is waiting to talk to you. Someone is waiting to get in contact with you. Like they are, maybe they are staying far from you. This is a long distance relationship, and maybe it's a long term relationship. But this person is eagerly waiting to meet you, and they stay far from you, or something is like, there is some kind of distance between you two. Maybe you're not talking right now, but this person is literally thinking about you. They are, there is a fire in them wanting to, meet you, talk to you. It's not long that you are not talking to each other. So maybe, they still have your memories. They still think about you. Page of Wands, and this is a sign that this person even stalks you. They are so much in love with you that they can't be without you. They are literally, I can see that fire, that urge of wanting this person. So they are literally wanting that you be there, be by their side. So yeah, this person can be fire sign. You are a fire sign. 11 is an important sign. You were manifesting that this person, comes and talks to you, or they come and meet you. So this manifestation is coming through. Next 6 to 10 days are very important. 6 to 10 hours for some people. 11 is important. If you see that sign right away, then this is your sign that this is coming to. Oh my god, we have wands again. This is literally, and it's, if you see that, it's like 1 2 3. So maybe you are into something where you deal with numbers. 1 2 3, 3 of wands. Maybe this person right now has a lot of responsibilities, or they are not able to manage everything, and maybe that was the reason they separated from you, or there is some kind of gap between you two. But this person really misses you. See, Two of Pentacles, I did say that they are having some kind of responsibilities. They are juggling between two things. They are dealing with the family. They might be, there are a lot of ups and downs in the families, or in the relationship. There were ups and downs. There was a lot of things, going in their mind, your mind. So maybe, things were a little messed up. So that is what they, maybe that is the reason they thought of taking a break. But they are not able to, they're not able to forget you. That is for sure, because they always, wherever they are, even when they are out of the city or out of the place where they stay, anywhere in the world, they think about you. So they definitely are missing you. Two seems to be very important. Oh my god, the Lover's card. This is the sign that you don't want to miss. This person is your soulmate. Anytime soon, you can expect this person to come and talk to you, or confess their love. You two are inseparable. There is no chance that, if you, a very slight thought also, if you had that this person has forgotten you, or they are not going to come back, or there was a doubt or a question, this is your sign that this person misses you. They want to talk to you. They are coming to you. Yes, you both are manifesting each other. It happens with both the person's free will. So definitely you both are manifesting each other, and even universe can't stop if you both want each other. That is how, energies work. So yes, there is some divine connection you both carry, and that is what is keeping you together, even if you're not communicating physically, but your energies are still connected. So this is such a beautiful thing to think about.